The National People's Party, while extending full support to the MDA 2.0 for the decisions that it has taken on the implementation of the roster, has asserted that the roster will now be put in place will safeguard all communities of the state, irrespective of their tribal status. Speaking to media persons here, Cabinet Minister and NPP leader Ambreen Lyngdoh said that a retrospective application of the roster will not arise as all departments in the state of Meghalaya for the first time will be adopting a roster in a prospective nature. Referring to the walkout by VPP from the all-party meeting, NPP President W.R. Kharlukhi said that this reservation policy of 1972 is done under Article 16, Clause 4, which is very clear that reservation is done on the basis to uplift the weaker section of the society.
A uniform data of implementation of roster across all 9 departments in the state of Meghalaya.
Time, with due respect to us politicians, when we became politicians, we thought that we knew everything. We started defining the constitution in our own ways. That's why I put this question today. Article 16, Clause 4 say like this, but where did the constitution did ever mention that reservation will be on the basis of population? I want an answer, but nobody answered.